Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Rabiansah. I'm from Education of Economic Cooperative B 2017. I will present about the result of my street vendors or VKL, which coincide with the Republic of Indonesian Civil Servant Cooperative Saving and Loans Unit Pelita. Section 1. Introduction. First, the location of Ministry of Manpower is on Jalan Gatot Subroto, K51, and the cooperative building is the near back door. Timeline. First, observation and preparation stage start in the December to mid January, and next, the practice stage that January 27 to February 28. The implementation is 25 days. Further, the processing making report after the completion the PKL process until April 2020. Okay, part 2, the history of cooperation. Cooperative were founded with the name Koperasi Karyawan Departemen Transkop Pelita in 28 Juni 1970. Change of name in 21 Juni 1995, and in 21 and in the 2001. Although in 2001, this Department of Labor rejoined the Transmigration of Department, making its name change to Department of Labor and Transmigration. The cooperation still carry the denominator is the naming. Next, cooperative goals is move the joint of the economic debt in the environment of employees of the Department of Labor so that it can provide benefit in order to improve employee welfare, especially its member. Next, chapter 3, implementation. First, I'm assisting cooperative employees. Second, recording data of the member saving. And third, recording data on account payable. And last, I make a billing list. Assisting cooperative employees in serving member who wants to borrow money. Okay, next, my second job desk is to record member mandatory saving. Record of mandatory saving to a new member card can be done after getting data from their e-bank. And the next, recording data on account receivable from cooperative member. Similarly, by keeping a record of saving, the recording of cooperative debit or credit data for its member can only be done if the bank has sent the data to the cooperative. Next, make a billing list to member of the cooperative. Unlike the previous task, in making a list of bill to member of the cooperative, this requires good coordination with the bank. The new bank automatically deduct mandatory saving, payment of debt installment, social fund, and interest from the salaries of cooperative member. However, there are cooperative members who have taken their salary before the first date, so the bank cannot make salary deduction to the cooperative member. If the cooperative find an incident like that, the cooperative will make a billing letter. Okay, next, my obstacle encountered. First, let-in search for PKL phase. Second, difficult to adapt to employers in the beginning. Third, difficult to adapt to the work given. For sometimes do not have a job or I have a lot free time. However, to how to overcome obstacle encountered. First, immediately search to many places at once to make a letter of submission. So after getting news there are empty places for PKL and receive the lesson they where they want PKL, then immediately register myself. Second, pay attention to the character of each employee. For according to Al-Wisal, character is a picture behavior that highlights the values of right, wrong, good, bad, pleasing, am- ambiguity, or explicitity. That way, now one's character will make it easier to communicate and work together. Third, keep learning. Familiarize yourself with the work continuously so that over time I understand the work. Four, keep discussing. By discussing, we'll get the information needed and build closeness with other employees so that I get lessons related to cooperative will building comfort in carrying out work and I fill my time by good the mosque and visiting my friends who are the sub cooperative. Chapter last chapter is for conclusion. Okay. First, practitioner getting knowledge about cooperative. Second, practitioner can understand the work done in the field place the practitioner during the implementation of work. Third, practitioner can find out the environmental condition at place of the work. Last, practitioner getting knowledge about saving and loans business unit of cooperative. Last recommendation for student who are prepare a planning schedule to prepare a necessary administrative requirement. 3. Preparing and restraining the class lesson obtained. 4. Cost and pay close attention to the field that will later be selected. 5. Socialize and actively as employees. Okay, next recommendation for Faculty of Economic. 1. Improve administrative service needed by student. Second, establish good relationship with the institution. Third, strengthening relation with the institution that have been made as the place for the implementation of internship. Okay, next recommendation for Kementerian Ketenagakerjaan. First, provide initial briefing to prospective practitioner. Second, use the computer to recording data on cooperative member saving and account payable members. Okay, thank you. Wabillahi taufiq walhidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.